Welcome back to Next Gen Reviews. Today, we're looking at a bike that's turning heads and raising eyebrows, the 2026 Suzuki RMZ 1050. Suzuki has taken a bold step into the heavyweight off-road and adventure category, and trust me, this machine is more than just a bigger engine in a familiar frame. Whether you're a trail addict or a weekend warrior, this bike might just set a new benchmark. Design. Suzuki has nailed the styling. The RMZ 1050 keeps the aggressive stance we love from the RMZ lineage but adds a more muscular frame and sharper bodywork. The ergonomics are dialed in, slim where it matters for control, yet sturdy for long-distance comfort. The new LED lighting system feels modern, and the updated graphics pack a punch without going over the top. Performance. Under the hood, or rather, under the seat, is a brand new 1,050 cubic centimeters single-cylinder beast, tuned for both torque and top-end pull. Suzuki's engineers have found that sweet spot between raw power and rideability. The upgraded suspension, with fully adjustable front forks and a rear shock designed for high-speed stability, soaks up bumps like they're nothing. And yes, the braking system is equally up to the task, with dual front discs and precision feel. Features and technology. This isn't just a brute force machine, it's smart. You get multiple riding modes, traction control, and a quick shifter for seamless gear changes. The digital display is crisp and easy to read, with integrated Bluetooth connectivity for navigation and ride stats. Even better, Suzuki has introduced their terrain adaptive system, adjusting power delivery based on real-time sensor data. Conclusion. The 2026 RMZ 1050 is bold, capable, and packed with tech, all while staying true to Suzuki's dirt-focused DNA. If you're looking for a big-bore machine that can handle anything you throw at it, this deserves a spot on your shortlist. What do you think? Is this the future of big adventure off-road bikes? Drop your thoughts in the comments, hit that like button if you enjoyed this review, share it with your riding buddies, and don't forget to subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more deep dives into the latest rides.